Kids, do you know what time it is?
It's time for the weekly update.
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of January 21st, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. Monday, January 24th is the 100th day of school. Next week is Literacy Week at the elementary campus. We will be celebrating reading and literacy with special activities, prizes, and guest readers. Please have your student join in the fun by wearing different things each day. On Monday, it's hats off to reading. Wear a favorite hat. On Tuesday, kindergarten wears red, first grade wears blue. Second grade wears yellow, and grades 3, 4, and 5 wear stripes. Wednesday is Wacky Wednesday. Wear mismatched or backwards clothes. Thursday is Wild Hair Day. Friday is Fun Sock Day. Our next open house will be Saturday, February 5th, 10 a.m. at our elementary campus and 11 a.m. at our secondary campus. Please tell any friends or family who may be interested in enrolling at PBMA next year. This is also a great chance for incoming kindergartners to see the elementary school and 5th graders to see our middle school. Save the date for our next Atlanta Skateway Night, Thursday, February 10th at 6 o'clock p.m. Atlanta Skateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres. Admission is $10 cash per person, skating or not, and that includes skates. Come join in the fun and support our school. Monday, February 21st is a teacher workday, no school for students. The Lake Worth Street Painting Festival is February 26th and 27th. Come cheer on PBMA students and teachers and see all the gorgeous chalk creations. Spring break is March 12th through March 21st. School resumes for students on March 22nd. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi PBMA families, it's Mrs. Smith, the elementary principal. We have wrapped up our winter diagnostic testing for grades 3, 4, and 5. Those scores will be coming out soon, and teachers will be sending home that information for you. Please make sure you review it and contact your child's teacher if you have any questions. FSA is also quickly approaching, so we're working very hard and teaching bell to bell to make sure everybody is ready for that test. Re-enrollment packets went home. It's so important that you guys send those back quickly to ensure your child has a seat for next year. We are already filling up fast and getting applicants from outside of PBMA as well. So please return those as soon as possible. Thank you.
Students brought home the PBMA re-enrollment packets on Friday. Charter school students must re-enroll in school every single year. Please return the packet quickly to guarantee your child's spot for next school year. Please contact me or the school office if you didn't receive one. The Miami Lighthouse will return to PBMA to provide free eye exams and glasses if more parents sign up. I will email the link to parents. Second grade had a virtual field trip to John D. MacArthur Park. Let's hear about it from Miss Calvoni's class.
All right, boys and girls, so yesterday we had a virtual field trip, right? Yeah. Where do we have a virtual field trip? Anyone remember the name?
Yeah.
What does it say up here? Esmeralda.
John D.
Close. MacArthur Beach State Park. So we learned about our ocean animals. So here we have some pictures. And I'm going to call some of you up here to review what we learned. So we have vertebrates. So what's that? Bella.
Bones. Animal without a backbone.
Right, invertebrates.
Animal.
Catalina.
That don't have no backbone.
Right, so no bones. So Bella, remember, vertebrae equals bone. So here we have some pictures, okay? So first one. All right, I want everyone to tell me what this is.
A jellyfish.
A jellyfish. So what do we think? Does a jellyfish have bones? No bones.
No bones.
Christopher, no bones. So we're going to put it up right where no bones. Okay, so we're going to put it up right there. I'm going to get tape after. All right, next picture. What is this?
Sponge.
Sponge. What do we think?
Yeah, bones. No bones.
Okay, raise your hand if you think bones. Raise your hand if you think no bones. Okay?
Yeah,
Esmeralda,
No bone.
no bones. So that's an invertebrate. Awesome. All right, Katie, what's this?
Sea star.
Sea star. Bones, no bones.
No bone.
No bones, invertebrate. So we're going to put it over here on that side. All right.
Yeah, bone.
Paxton, what's this?
Turtle.
Turtle. Bones, no bones.
Bone.
Bones, so what is it called? Vertebrates. All right, awesome. Who can tell me what this picture is? Joshy.
No. Hammer shark.
A hammerhead shark. What do we think? Bones, no bones? Bones, so what is it? A vertebrae or invertebrate, Joshy? Vertebrae, awesome. And last picture. Everyone knows this. What is this?
Yeah, bone.
A frog. All right, raise your hand. Vertebrae? No vertebrae.
Yeah,
That is
bone.
correct. So Esmeralda, where does it go? So come show me. Which side does it go on?
Yeah, bone.
Awesome. So you can put it right there. High five. All right, so we learned about all these yesterday on our virtual field trip. Okay, so Miss Calvoni took all the information and put it here. So we're going to read the first question. What do all animals need to survive? What do we think? What do we think? Zoe, come up and highlight your answer. What do we think? Let's see if she's right. Awesome. All animals need food, water, shelter, and space to survive. Awesome. Who can do number 2? Okay, Christopher. What aquatic animals have backbones? Aquatic means water. So what aquatic animals have backbones? What do we think?
It's B.
Okay, that's a good guess, but let's look at this. So we have sea stars and jellyfish. So sea stars is correct, Christopher, but jellyfish, as we saw here, look, are invertebrates. They have no bones, so that was a good guess. So what do we think our answer is? Catalina, what do we think? So we have B, C, or D left. What do we think?
Easy.
Okay, so B. So cats and dogs. So remember, we're looking for what aquatic animal. So their key word here, guys, is aquatic. So Catalina, that was a good guess, but do dogs and cats live in the water? No. So what do we think? Chase, what do we think? C. C is correct. Awesome. We have turtles and fish, and they have backbones. Last question. What is a way you can respect wildlife? What is a way we can respect wildlife? What do we think? Zoe? All of the above. We have to keep away at a safe distance. Make sure to make sure not to step on plants. And keeping voices low while exploring. So A, B, C, and D are correct. So all of the above. All right, awesome. Great job.
Great job, guys.
Second grade learned about the different states of matter from Miss Trish. They created slime together. Slime is neither a liquid nor a solid. High school honor roll students celebrated their achievements by enjoying an honor roll breakfast.
Michael Dennis. Karina K-I-R-A-K-I-D-I-S. Karina? Come in, Trish. Congratulations. Catherine Roy. Raymond Saperstein. Did I say that right? Congratulations. David Sebastian Andrews. Jennifer Tobias Maradiaga. Congratulations. Leilani Valdez. Ava Brownlee. William Casco. Emilio Morales Delgado. No, congratulations. Brandon Morot. How do you say that? Oh, congratulations. Naya Pierre. Billy Sierra Vasquez. Martin McAdoo. Congratulations. Brandon Nagazar. Alexis Olson. Where's your mom? Jefferson Rodriguez Diaz. Is that it? This? Nope.
Now we're going to do the high school. So we're going to be at this table.
That was all middle?
That was all middle.
All right, let's give all the middle school students a big round. Good job, guys. Keep it up. For Sylvia Giraldi. Daniela Linares Alvarez.
Good job today. Huh?
Valeria Magda. Domingo Miguel Francisco. Yaritza Perez. Olivia Walsh. Michael Castro. Xavier Lasso. Mia Spitzel. Sorry. Quentin Yeah. Lauren Brent.
Where's that going?
Olivia
They all knew we had an AP psych test today.
Chemenal. Nicholas Galazzo. Angelina Morales. Keep going with the blue.
Yeah.
Olivia Ward. Ariana Ruth Jasper Nolasco. Saraya Montalvan Moreira. Congratulations. And Trinity Strickland. All right, let's give all of our students a big round of applause. Congratulations.
Hey seniors, are you in need of options in order to complete the required volunteer hours to graduate? Students can record themselves reading a children's book and then email to Ms. Powell. Ms. Powell will send it to an organization that distributes the video to children who are learning to read. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.